Welcome back to PennyWise Perspectives, your go-to channel for everything personal finance. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that's often overlooked. Learn 15 valuable skills to boost your income. How to earn more money in today's fast-paced and ever-changing world. The pursuit of financial success often relies on the acquisition of valuable skills. Whether you're looking to increase your income, start a side hustle, or secure a better job, honing these skills can significantly impact your earning potential. In this guide, we'll delve into 15 valuable skills that can help you earn more money and take control of your financial future. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. The content provided in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now, let's dive into today's topic. 1. Digital marketing. In today's digital-centric world, businesses rely heavily on their online presence. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of skills, including understanding online advertising, creating compelling content, and effectively managing social media platforms. As businesses seek to reach their target audiences through digital channels, individuals skilled in digital marketing are in high demand. Whether you choose to work as a freelancer, join a marketing agency, or become an in-house marketing expert, this skill can open doors to diverse career opportunities. Digital marketing is dynamic, offering a continuous learning curve as new technologies and platforms emerge, making it an exciting and ever-evolving field. 2. Coding and web development. The internet continues to expand, and with it, the demand for proficient coders and web developers. These professionals are responsible for building and maintaining websites, web applications, and online platforms. Learning programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is essential in this field. Proficiency in web development can lead to lucrative tech-related jobs, such as web developer, front-end developer, or full-stack developer. Many businesses and startups are eager to hire skilled web developers to create and enhance their online presence, making this skill a valuable asset in today's digital economy. 3. Data analysis. In the age of big data, the ability to gather, analyze, and derive meaningful insights from datasets is a prized skill. Data analysts and scientists are essential for organizations seeking to make data-driven decisions, understand customer behavior, and identify market trends. This skill is applicable across various industries, including finance, healthcare, marketing, and e-commerce. By mastering data analysis tools and techniques, individuals can pursue careers in data science, business intelligence, and market research, enjoying a wide range of employment opportunities. 4. Graphic design is the art of visual communication, and it plays a crucial role in marketing and branding. Businesses rely on graphic designers to create visually appealing content for marketing materials, websites, social media campaigns, and more. Mastery of design software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator is often a prerequisite for this role. Graphic designers can work as freelancers, in-house designers, or within creative agencies, with the potential to earn a substantial income. This field values creativity and innovation, making it an ideal choice for individuals with a passion for visual arts. 5. Content writing. Quality content is the backbone of digital marketing and online communication. Content writers are responsible for creating engaging and informative written materials, including blog posts, website content, social media posts, and marketing materials. Strong writing skills, grammar, and the ability to convey ideas effectively are essential in this profession. Freelance content writing is a popular choice for those looking to supplement their income or pursue a full-time writing career. Content writers often have the flexibility to work from home or remotely, making it an attractive option for those seeking work-life balance. 6. Search engine optimization. SEO is the practice of optimizing online content to rank higher in search engine results. Understanding how search engines like Google work and how to make web content more visible to users is vital in the digital landscape. SEO specialists are in high demand as businesses aim to improve their online visibility and attract organic traffic. By mastering SEO techniques and staying updated with search engine algorithms, individuals can pursue careers as SEO analysts, consultants, or in-house SEO experts. This skill is essential for anyone involved in online marketing and web development. 7. Salesmanship. Sales is an art that never goes out of style. The ability to persuade, negotiate, and close deals is highly valued across industries. Sales professionals are responsible for selling products, services, or ideas to clients or customers. Mastery of sales techniques, understanding customer needs, and effective communication are key in this field. Salespeople have the potential to earn significant commissions and bonuses based on their performance, making it a financially rewarding career choice. Additionally, sales skills can be applied in various roles, from account management to business development, providing versatility in your career path. 8. Public speaking. Public speaking is a versatile skill that transcends careers and industries. Effective communication and presentation skills are highly sought after, whether you're delivering presentations at work, engaging in speaking engagements, or creating online content. Being an adept public speaker can boost your earning potential and career prospects. It not only allows you to convey ideas convincingly, but also enhances your ability to connect with others and lead teams. Public speaking can lead to opportunities in fields such as corporate training, motivational speaking, teaching, or content creation, where charismatic and confident communication is essential for success. Real quick, fam, have you seen these awesome t-shirts? Make sure to check out my Etsy shop link down below in the description and rock these funny tees like a boss. Now let's get back to the video. 9. Financial management. Personal finance literacy is an indispensable skill for ensuring long-term financial security. It involves the ability to manage your finances wisely, which includes creating and sticking to a budget, making informed investment decisions, and planning for retirement. Those who grasp the fundamentals of financial management are better equipped to navigate the complex world of money. By learning how to allocate resources efficiently, individuals can not only protect their financial future, but also potentially generate wealth over time. Financial management skills empower you to take control of your financial destiny, regardless of your current income level or background. 10. Project management. Project management is a skill set that spans various industries and sectors. Efficiently overseeing projects is vital to meet objectives, adhere to timelines, and stay within budget constraints. Project managers play a pivotal role in orchestrating the successful execution of tasks from initiation to completion. Many organizations recognize the importance of project management and are willing to reward those with expertise in this field. Earning a certification such as Project Management Professional, PMP, can lead to highly compensated positions. It's a profession that demands leadership, organizational skills, and a knack for problem solving, making it a fulfilling and well-rewarded career choice. 11. Photography and videography. In an era driven by visual content, photography and videography skills are incredibly marketable. Whether you're capturing memories at weddings, creating engaging YouTube videos, or producing commercial photography, these skills hold substantial earning potential. Professional photographers and videographers often enjoy flexibility in their work, taking on diverse projects and clients. The ability to convey stories, emotions, and messages through visual media is highly valued, making photography and videography a profitable entrepreneurial pursuit or a fulfilling creative career. 12. Foreign language proficiency. In today's interconnected world, being bilingual or multilingual is a valuable asset. Proficiency in a foreign language can open doors to a range of international job opportunities. It can also lead to well-compensated work in translation or interpretation. Many global companies seek employees who can bridge language barriers and facilitate effective communication. Learning a foreign language not only enhances your cultural awareness, but also strengthens your ability to connect with a broader audience and access higher-paying language-related roles. 13. E-commerce and dropshipping. The e-commerce industry continues to experience significant growth, presenting lucrative entrepreneurial opportunities. Learning how to launch and manage an e-commerce store, along with understanding dropshipping techniques, can lead to a profitable venture. Entrepreneurs in this space have the potential to create successful online businesses with lower upfront costs compared to traditional brick-and-mortar stores. As e-commerce evolves, those who master this skill set are well-positioned to tap into the vast market of online shoppers and build thriving businesses. 14. Social media management. Businesses recognize the paramount importance of a strong online presence, and they are eager to find individuals who can effectively manage their social media platforms. If you possess the skills to create engaging content and cultivate online communities, you can turn this talent into a career. Social media managers are responsible for developing and executing social media strategies, which can significantly impact a brand's visibility and engagement with its audience. This skill can lead to positions in digital marketing agencies, in-house marketing teams, or as a freelance social media consultant, offering diverse income opportunities. 15. Negotiation skills. Negotiation is an indispensable skill in both business and personal finance. Whether you're negotiating a salary, closing a business deal, or making a major purchase, understanding negotiation techniques can have a profound impact on your financial outcomes. The ability to assertively and persuasively advocate for your interests can result in better compensation, more favorable agreements, and substantial savings. Negotiation skills empower you to navigate complex financial transactions with confidence and ensure that you achieve the best possible results, whether you're pursuing career advancement or making significant financial decisions. Incorporating these skills into your professional toolkit can not only increase your earning potential, but also provide you with valuable and transferable knowledge. Moreover, the flexibility of many of these skills allows you to adapt them to various career paths, providing you with financial security and the freedom to explore diverse opportunities. Consider your personal interests and career goals when choosing which skills to prioritize. By investing time and effort into learning and mastering these skills, you can enhance your value in the job market, increase your income, and ultimately achieve greater financial stability and success. Remember that acquiring these skills is a continuous journey, and the rewards of your efforts can be limitless. Awesome! We have learned 15 valuable skills to boost your income, equipping you with valuable insights to optimize your future success. Please comment below any money-related topics you'd like for me to cover in a future video. If you loved today's valuable video, consider smashing that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Together, let's embrace abundance, develop financial intelligence, and make our dreams of financial freedom a reality. Fam, have you seen these awesome t-shirts? Make sure to check out my Etsy shop by using the link in the description below and rock these funny tees like a boss. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.